Good morning, Innovation. This is Mr. Roussel, Principal of Innovation College Prep. Today is Tuesday, August 25th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Repeat after me. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. You may be seated. Our quote of the day comes from Serena Williams. She says, "I've grown most not from victories, but setbacks. If winning is God's reward, then losing is how he teaches us." Let's see what's for breakfast and lunch today. Today's breakfast is cereal and a cracker pack, while lunch is a turkey hot dog with Cajun spiced beans. Remember, scholars, if your family can't come pick up the food, we have our Meals on Wheels program that delivers to your neighborhood. Make sure you let us know if you want Meals on Wheels. Our core value of the week is to give 100% every day. How can you do that today? Make sure you're reading and or clocking 30 plus minutes a day in ST Math. As always, scholars, please rise to the occasion and make sure you're having a great and scholarly day.